I'm your huckleberry.
Hey guys, RC and more here. My roommate just picked this up. It's a little WPL van, I think a D22. He liked my D14 that I got, my four-wheel drive truck, and he bought one of those also. And then I bought my second D14. I'm gonna turn it into drift, which I haven't done yet. And he decided he's gonna build this one up as a drift. But we wanted to check it out first before he did all that. And it's a pretty scale-looking van. I think it's really cool. Two-wheel drive, at least spring suspension on the rear. The front springs kind of suck. You push it down, it doesn't really come back up. So that's a little tweak he's got to work on. But rear springs work fine. But it's a really cool looking little van. We like it a lot. And it runs pretty good too. So we're just going to take it out for a quick little spin. Nothing special about it. We didn't speed run it or anything like that. We just went and ran it a little bit before he does his stuff. But he's going to get ground effects for it. He may be putting a brushless motor in this. I'm not sure just yet. But like I said, it's going to be a drifter when he's done with it. But anyway, we just wanted to show y'all real quick. Check it out. I'll have a link in the description down below where you can get this. But anyway, guys, here's some footage of it. Y'all be good and take care.